Hey there explorers, it's Dji here, and today we're going to explore some unique attractions in two captivating cities here in China. From silk and ancient grottos to legendary temples and kung fu, there's so much to uncover. So buckle up and let's dive into another video of Explore with Dji. Let's start in Suzhou, and more specifically the Suzhou Silk Factory. As you enter the factory, you're guided through the entire silk making process. From the delicate silkworms spinning their cocoons to the intricate weaving of luxurious fabrics, they showcase it all. I tried to interview one of the star employees here, but sadly, he didn't spill any silk making secrets. We continue our way to Luoyang, to the impressive Longmen Grottoes. You can find tens of thousands of statues of the Shakyamuni Buddha and his disciples carved out of the limestone walls. The caves and statues spread over a 1 kilometer long area with the Yi River flowing in between. And as of the year 2000, the site was added to the UNESCO World Heritage List as an outstanding manifestation of human artistic creativity. And please trust me when I say the walk up the steps is definitely worth the view. For our last stop, we head out to the Shaolin Temple. It's widely known in and outside of China for its Shaolin Kung Fu. When we arrived, there was an amazing Kung Fu demonstration by the young students of the temple. This demonstration is shown multiple times a day at various hours, since the temple is pretty commercialized. After the show, you can walk through the scenic pagoda forest and see the beautiful temple buildings. As I look back on my journey through China, I must admit that the Shaolin Temple is one of the places that stuck by me the most. The beautiful scenery combined with the impressive practice of Kung Fu makes this an easy bucket list item to see. And that concludes our video. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate you staying to the end. And if you're still here, don't forget to like, subscribe, do all that cool stuff to help a girl out. It would mean a lot to me. And thank you and bye bye. See you in the next time.